You might think that people would stay away from one another, Native American and English people, during decades of conflict, but that wasn't always the case, and trade continued anyway. A really great example of this, one of my favorites, is in the 1630s when William Abram, who was an indentured servant, very unhappy with his lot on the eastern shore, decided to steal a bolt of cloth, a dictionary of presumably an Algonquian language, and a boat. And he said that he made some homemade pipes and that he spoke Dutch. And his plan was to use these trade goods, use what he could glean from this language dictionary to ultimately escape to the colonies belonging to the Netherlands, which is now New Jersey and New York. Obviously, he was caught, otherwise, we wouldn't know about it. But it still shows us that people think within their realm is the Native American trade, even though he's just an indentured servant. He feels that trade with Native Americans, probably specifically Algonquians, can better his lot. By the 1650s, the English are moving northwest into what's now the Northern Neck and Northern Virginia in pursuit of arable land, which is obviously occupied by Native people. And then they're also moving southwest along the kind of North Carolina, Virginia border as we'd know it today in pursuit of the fur trade. We're very used to thinking about the fur trade in terms of things like beaver and fox. But in the Southeast specifically, this is a skin trade in deer skins. Not that they would turn away beaver and fox and other kinds of richer pelts, obviously, but deer skin was in demand for a variety of reasons in Europe, among them vellum or paper, which we now get from trees. In order for the English to move west, they need a lot of help. They need help understanding other people, non-English people. They need help with diplomacy. They need help just knowing where to go and how to navigate an entirely new environment. And so where do they turn? They turn to the new tributary Indians that they now live alongside.